Kevin, Blind Lake Mechanic here. Getting back in on this 347. Done got the oil pan gasket on there. Done got some gasket maker in the corners. Set this pan on there. Get to it. Get oriented here. Sump to the back. There we are. Some bolts here, ready, handy dandy. Should have used the snippets. Set that on there. See if this one's lined up. And it is. Off, baby. All right. Find me some more bolts and go to the back side. Right. Back here. Cooking. All right. One more bolt. Where's it at? Got so many bolts in my pocket. Not that one. Not that one. Not that one, not that one. That one. Alright. You always want to pull your oil pan down with these 4 big bolts. Kind of pull it down, get it seated. Then use the small 1/4-20s down the side to kind of finish seating it. Let me snug those or just get them pulled down. Then we'll go to putting the 1/20s in. Of course, you want to tighten them evenly. I'm just getting these kind of run down. Get it kind of evened up. Okay, a bit over this way. Pull that down a little. Back over here. Alright. Need a little bit more extension, but I got what I got. Alright, pulled down good. Let me get my handful of 1/20s. Click. Click. That's my built-in torque wrench, my torque arm. Click. Click, click. Alright. $20. 18 of these bad boys, I think, if my memory's right. We're cooking. Well, a little bit. Maybe I'm cooking. Trucking along. I'm just excited to get this bottom end clean, or wrapped up. It's been a minute. Next, I got to roll it over and put the lifters in. We're on our way. Just all by feel. I've done a couple in my day. I'm impressed with this pan. Last pan I used, well, it was a cheap offshore pan, but last pan I used, half these bolt holes didn't line up, and I take it off and run through them with a drill, widen them out a little bit, make them a little bit bigger, that way things would fit, line up. Might have spoke too soon. There might be one that doesn't line up. Go back to it here. Let me see if I can persuade it. Yeah. It ain't happy about it, but alright. Let's kind of pull these down. We ain't trying to tighten them. Not yet, anyways. Yeah, I need one more extension. You get what you get, though. Thank y'all for watching. Sometime or another I'm gonna go live, but I don't really know how to do that, especially down here in the shop because I ain't got no Wi-Fi down here. So probably could only go live up at the house. So I'll have to find something up that way to do. Maybe I'll take the truck up there and do a live up there. Let me know what y'all think. I don't know a lot about this YouTube stuff. Just hitting it on the fly, figuring it out as I go. What? Is that all of them?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Thank you, assistant. Go around here to this side. Scratch, there we are. Find your home. Started. 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 You grab me some more. I don't think I left some over there. So I ain't got enough. Started. Started. Last one. Alright, same thing, just pull these down. Get them seated and then go around, kind of torque on them side to side, front to back. Not trying to torque them down just yet, I'm just trying to pull them down. Get them to that point so I can start torquing them. That way I ain't got a wrench on them a lot. Let's get them pulled down flush. back from the inside. I start in the middle. I don't know what your sequence is. Go.
At pairs 3, you've not tightened.
I know I'm kind of starting in the middle.
Okay.
Go over here to this side. Go one back. Back over here to this side. Go one forward. Then go one back. Critique me on my torquing here. Yeah, you're supposed to pull them down side to side, front to back, or middle to back, whatevs. I've done it this way. Doesn't seem to bother. I think a good gasket's all that really matters. Back over this way. Get some of these. There's one I hadn't ran down. Oh, that's what you was trying to tell me. I hadn't ran those down all the way. Sorry about that. Ooh, that one ain't started. Uh-oh. There it went. Go to your home. Hit these. Boom. 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 On this side, make sure we got them all. Boom. Boomtown. Boom. Boom. All right, go back to our 5/16ths, or our 5/16ths, 18 bolts rather. Those big 4 at the corners. Check those. And then I run through them once again. Click, click. 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 Last one of the big ones. Click. All right. Swap back out. Now I'm just going to run through these front to back, make sure that I'm loosened up. So they will some. Click. 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 and done. All right, guys, the oil pan's on. Get a video of my face. Kevin Blind Luck Mechanic. Thank y'all for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, follow. Do all those things. Oil pan on the 347 race engine. Well, here, let's roll it over. Before we end the video, we'll roll it over, get the top side topping. Rotisserie engine stand here. Handy dandy. We are ready to install lifters. Is that about level? No, I got it a little bit past level. About right there.
To you a little bit.
Towards me a little bit. Go the other way.
One more. Whoa.
There it is, guys. Now we're ready to put the lifters in. Go get them cleaned up. Get the lifter valley cleaned up. And get the lifters put in. Thank y'all for watching. Peace.